edges like a borderline. Catch the plastic where it's meant to shine. 80 grit is heavy, biting deep. Waking up the lens from 40 years of sleep. Gray slurry on the path, a ghost of what was there. I'm carving out a window in the hazy morning air. Wait for the water to clear. The truth is getting near. See the grain dissolve into a silken sheet, making something broken look complete. 3,000 circles, then I'll move to 5. Feel the friction, keep the pulse alive. The dullness washes out, the surface starts to drink. Closer than a mirror, faster than a blink. Now the pad is wide again, spinning in a blur. This is the quiet moment where the world is just a hum. Wait for the water to clear. The truth is getting near. See the grain dissolve into a silken sheet, making something broken look complete. The compound is thick, then it thins out to glass. Let the shadows and the light finally pass. It's a chemical bond, it's an armor of gold against the yellow and heat and the damp and the